The 10 largest big cats in the world. Spoiler alert, the lion is not the largest. Yes, there is a bigger feline than the lion. Hello guys, and welcome to another animal facts. We'll start with number 10, the clouded leopard. The clouded leopard is the 10th largest wild cat in the world. It can grow between 1.2 to 1.9 meter in length and with a tail that can grow up to 1 meter long. The clouded leopard usually weighs a little bit less than 20 kilograms and can go up to 23 kilograms. If you want to know more about the clouded leopard, check the description down below. I will put a link of videos to each animal that I will be talking about. These videos gives all the facts you need to know about each big cat. Number 9. The Sunda clouded leopard. The Sunda clouded leopard is very similar to the clouded leopard. It's basically its cousin. The Sunda clouded leopard can grow between 1.3 to 1.9 meters and can weigh up to 26 kilograms. Number 8. The Eurasian lynx. The Eurasian lynx is the 8th largest wildcat in the world, and it can grow up to 1.5 meter long with a weight up to 38 kilograms. Number 7. The snow leopard. The snow leopard ranging between 1.6 to 2.1 meters and can grow up to 2.5 meters long and can weigh around 50 kilograms and can go up to 75 kilos. Number 6. The cheetah. The cheetah, the fastest land animal in the world. This magnificent cat can grow up to 2.5 meters, ranging in general between 1.5 to 2.3 meters and weighing up to 75 kilograms. Number 5. The leopard. The leopard can grow up to 2.75 meter in length and is very muscular and can weigh up to 96 kilograms. Leopard usually will range anywhere from 1.6 to 2.3 meters long. Number 4. The cougar, also known as the mountain lion. The cougar can grow up to a max of 2.8 meters, but usually range between 1.5 to 2.4 meters long, with a weight that can reach up to 125 kilograms. Now going to the top 3 wildcats. At number 3 comes the jaguar. The jaguar is the 3rd biggest cat with a body that can grow up also to 2.8 meters but can weigh up to 160 kilograms. And as I said, the lion is the 2nd largest cat with a big body that can grow up to 3.6 meters long, but in general range between 2.6 to 3.3 meters long and can weigh up to a maximum of 313 kilograms. The first and the biggest is the tiger, and to be specific, the Siberian tiger. But in general, tigers are bigger than lions and can weigh up to 388 kilograms with a body length between 2.5 to 3.9 meters long, and the largest can go up to 4.17 meters. For more information about the black panther, be sure to check this video here. Thank you for watching and have a great day.